This Hopper's birthday theme is perfect for a playful, colorful kids celebration. Start with the birthday outfit: a soft pink dress or romper, gold crown clip, comfy shoes, and a tiny butterfly detail. Premium tip: keep it light for photos. For the entrance, style one corner with greenery, balloons, butterflies, and cute animal props. Set the guest table with ivory plates, pink napkins, leafy accents, and small woodland centerpieces. For the dessert table, use cake stands, pastel treats, flowers, butterflies, and different heights. Create a game area with animal scavenger cards, lily pad hop, or butterfly toss. Finish with a favor table using craft bags, stickers, mini plushies, or nature kits. Visit my Etsy shop for printable and editable decor to make this party beautiful, easy, and budget-friendly.